Come with me as I unbox and install Ring's Smart Light Remote. The package comes with drywall anchors, the device itself, and instructions. But first, you'll want to download the Ring app and scan the provided QR code. You'll be prompted to turn on the device by removing the pull tab. The app will continue to walk you through setup and will prompt any updates necessary. After the update, the Smart Light Remote will prepare for setup and connect to your Ring app. Now it's ready to use. I've chosen to pair this device with Ring's Smart Light Bulb, and the install process is very similar, where you scan the QR code and you follow the instructions in the app for install. Next, the app will prompt you to change the name of the device. I'm changing mine to Living Room Sconce so that I know exactly which light in the room it's for. And just like that, the app will tell you when you're all connected. I knew I had the perfect location for this light bulb as I live in an old home, and one of my two sconce lights, while plugged into the wall, isn't actually connected to any switch in the house. But now that I have my Ring Smart Light Bulb and the Ring Smart Light Remote, I can turn it on from across the room rather than having to go up and manually turn it on. And just like that, you can turn it off. I chose to simply place my remote across the room near the switch for the other lights for convenience so that I can move it around in the future.